Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Skills Hub TV, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload an ebook to Amazon KDP using your mobile phone. Alright, so Smart Skills Hub TV is a YouTube channel where we discuss how to leverage the online space to grow your business, how to use digital skills to grow your business, whether you are an individual or a large business. So here we teach you business we teach you business skills that can help you make more profits online and also increase your visibility. So one of the things we talk about a lot is around book publishing, especially as it has to do with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and we also talk about we do videos around Facebook ads and also affiliate marketing and a whole lot of um money making skills online. All right, so in this particular video we're going to be discussing on how to upload an ebook to Amazon using your mobile phone. So the reason why I'm actually doing this video is because after my last video where I did showed you how to create and format an ebook for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing on your mobile phone, I had not exactly done exactly done that video to show you how to upload the video to upload the book you create to Amazon KDP. And then I was getting a lot of you know requests from a number of persons to actually show them how to do it, because obviously they seem to be having issues with uploading their books to Amazon. All right, and in the course of trying to do this video, I encountered some challenges myself, while trying to upload my book to Amazon KDP. But then it was quickly resolved, and I quickly was able to find what the issue was, and I was able to resolve it. And now I am ready to show you how to actually do that. It's really not difficult at all if you actually follow my last video, which, by the way, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this very video. You're going to be seeing exactly how to format your book on on a tool called Google Docs. All right, how to write your book on and format it using an app called Google Docs on your mobile phone. So with that video, after watching that video, you should be able to get a good grips on how to use your mobile phone to actually write. So the whole premise behind doing this series for mobile phone users is because I do understand that a lot more people are going to be using their mobile phones, are going to be having access to mobile phones more than they would their laptops, right? So I could have as well done this video on my laptop, but then I do understand that a number of persons also have mobile phones and would also love to learn how to use their mobile phones to do stuff, right? So on this channel I want to also ensure that I help people who are mobile phone users to maximize their smartphones to actually make money online. So it shouldn't be as though it's just for people who are using their laptops. However, whenever we have to do any video showing you how to do stuff with your mobile phone, sorry, with on a laptop, just know that you can also replicate the same process on your mobile phone as well. All right, whether it's going to be on Facebook ads, whether it's going to be on book publishing, whether it's going to be around whatever it's going to be, just know that you can also replicate the same process on your mobile. All right, so if you are enjoying this video so far, even if you've not done so much, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get notified when we post similar videos like this. All right, so please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could get notified whenever we post similar videos. So like I said earlier, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload an already written and formatted book to Amazon KDP. So I'm going to be assuming that you have already written your book, but if you also would be needing a guide on how to write and format your book on Amazon KDP, kindly go back to that video and watch how I had actually shown you to do it. It's actually very easy. All right, so But just to go over it again, you will be needing to download an app called Google Docs. All right, that is what you're going to be using to type your documents, and then you'll be needing to format it as though you're actually writing on a laptop, right? So it's actually very easy because in the video I did a step-by-step walkthrough on how to actually, you know, write your book, format it, and format it exactly, especially for Amazon KDP. All right, because there are accepted formats for uploading books, especially ebooks, to Amazon KDP. So you just can't publish books and then you want to upload them in just any kind of format to Amazon. It would get rejected, and I believe that is where a lot of people are having issues, because they want to just create a book and then upload it without formatting it for Amazon. So there is actually a specific format that you need to use for Amazon. All right, so when you want to save your documents, say you have already written it, you have already written and formatted it on your Google Docs, and now you want to save your documents, ensure to save it as rich text format. All right, so in that video I actually described everything to you on how to do that and all right, so ensure that you save it on rich text format, and just don't just save it alone. You have to ensure that you also download the document, because that is how you're going to be able to find it and upload it to Amazon. All right, so ensure that after saving it as rich text format, you want to ensure that you download it to your mobile phone so that you'll be able to locate it when you want to eventually upload it to Amazon. All right, so let's say now that I've already finished my formatting and now I'm ready to upload my books to Amazon. I'm going to be showing you the steps to follow. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to go um on your Google or whatever browser you're using, and then type Amazon. All right, type in Amazon. So I'm going to be doing that shortly. So please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could get more of this kind of videos showing you how to actually do stuff with your mobile phone that would lead to making money and all right. So also um I have an online course on Amazon KDP that is very, very, very in depth, that discusses Amazon KDP in depth, from niche and keyword research to the publishing process to marketing and all. And the course does not only contain lessons on or videos or tutorials on Amazon KDP. It also dives into Facebook ads and book publishing in its entirety, like how to build a self-publishing business in the online and actually make money from it. So that is all that the course covers. You want to check it out, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description as well so that you can also check it out. All right, so to upload your book to Amazon KDP, you go to kdp.amazon, right? Not Amazon. Now you go to K, because of course we're going to be downloading our book on KDP, all right, which is the ebook platform of Amazon, right? So kdp.amazon.com, you click on enter, and then it brings us to our homepage. It brings me to my homepage. All right, so since I'm already signed up, since I already have an account, I'll just go on ahead to sign up into my account. But if you don't already have an account, you can also go ahead to create your account. All right, so if you check on this channel, you'd see that I also have a video showing you how to also set up your Amazon KDP account. All right, so what I'm going to be doing, these are some of the books I've uploaded so far. These are some of my books on this my account. So what you just want to do is to click on create. All right, so click on create, and then it brings you to this other place asking you what exactly you want to create. What would you like to create? Do you want to create an ebook? Now you need to understand that an ebook is different from a paperback book. So if you're into low content and zero content, it's different from the normal ebook you actually publish. Like an ebook is a book that people are going to be reading online, all right? So it is not like paperback where people can actually print it out and get to read. So ebook is strictly for reading online, and people who are going to be buying these books, some of them are actually going to be using the Kindle device to actually read them. All right, so click on Kindle ebook, create ebook, and then we are going to be going ahead to enter the details that we would be needing to, you know, enter, that Amazon requires us to enter. Now this stage is very, very critical, because I actually wrote something on my WhatsApp status this evening. I said the best place to actually bury a good book is on the second page of Amazon search results. And this is actually true, because if you don't do due diligence, if you don't do your keyword and niche research, you would end up putting your book in a place where nobody's going to see it, no matter how good your book is, no matter how well written you have actually made your book. Without proper keyword and niche research to ensure that your book ranks on the first page of Amazon, your book is as good as not being written at all. All right, so you want to click on the on my course and check it out, because taking that course is actually going to be helping you to get a very good grips on how to do keyword and niche research, because it includes basically everything you need to know to make sales on Amazon KDP, right? So that you don't just be, one of those writers who claim to have their books on Amazon, yet you're not making any sales, all right? So now the title of my book is because this is actually going to be a test. This is going to be a tutorial. So I'm not going to be putting, I'm not going to be putting too much into all of this, all right? But then when you're going to be uploading your book for real on Amazon, you want to ensure that put you give attention to all of these things. Book title, subtitle, 7 keyword tags, all of those things are very, very important, because those are the things that are going to be ensuring that your book gets seen, on Amazon KDP at the end of the day. All right, so my book title is something around how to become a freelancer or something. So I'm just going to be writing something like the freelancer's guide. All right, the freelancer's guide. So you want to ensure that your book title is optimized, is SEO optimized. All right, you want to ensure that you're going to be using keywords that people are actually searching for. All right, so I'm not going to be going in depth into keyword and niche research today. Anyways, I also have a video around that on this YouTube channel, so you can actually check you can check through and you would be able to see them. But then you can also sign up for my online course, because it contains a whole lot around that. All right, so our subtitle, we could just leave that. Then here it says if your book is part of a series, blah 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 and all that. So this book is not a series, so we just leave that. Then the book doesn't have edition number also. So here where you're supposed to enter your name, I'll just go on ahead to enter my name, Mary. Okay, I'm supposed to enter my first name here and my last name, so I get to enter that. And then let's go on to here. It says contributors. If your book has a number of persons who had contributed content to your book, you can go on ahead to include their names. All right, then here is where we need to write the description. And this place, trust me, is one of the most important parts that you want to give attention to. All right, my course also delves into how to create attention grabbing book descriptions, because this is very, very important, because people who are going to be buying your book would sure need to read a description of your book, and this is where you're going to be able to convince them that your book is worth the read. All right, so let me just write anything. This book is on how to start your freelance career on Upwork or something. All right, okay. So you don't want to snooze on this. This is very, very important. Then here it says publishing rights. I owe the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights and also just go on ahead to check the first box, because sure you probably have the rights to the book and all. Right, now where it says keyword, this is one of the most important things that you need to ensure you get correctly. Even if KDP is telling you that it's optional, I want to tell you that this is not optional at all. You want to ensure that you enter keywords that people are actually searching Amazon for. All right, this tutorial is not about keyword and niche research or how to add your, these seven back end keywords. So I'm not going to be dwelling on that. So I'm just going to be going on to enter anything that comes to mind. Freelancing. Okay. Freelancing guide for beginners. Okay. So this is actually a good keyword. All right. This is a good keyword because sure thing, people are going to be coming to Amazon to look for this kind of books. But then when it comes to keyword and niche research, you know that it is not just about anything you guess in your head, because this might not be, it might not exactly be a good keyword based off of some, you know, of some, you know, metrics. All right. This might not exactly be a good keyword, even if it looks interesting. All right. So freelancing guide for beginners, you can say freelance tutorial. All right. So, and that's that for that. So let's just leave that. Then when it comes to category, you're going to be asked to set your category. What category is your book going to be in? All right. This is also a very important part, because if you choose the wrong category, your book is not going to be seen by your potential reader. So this is actually a non-fiction book. So we go on ahead to select non-fiction, and then under non-fiction we have several other subcategories. So this book is it's about business, right? It's about business. So let's see which subcategory might be best to actually put it in. So let's say self-help. So let's say self-help. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on anything that we are going to be sharing in to actually help you learn how to make a lot of money online. All right. Okay. I really don't want to waste time on this. All right. I don't want to waste time on this. Okay. So let's just leave it. Okay. So we can actually choose up to two categories. We can actually choose up more than two categories. Actually, there is a trick to that, which is only for my students on Amazon KDP. All right, for my premium students. Okay. All right, so we've selected the two categories that we are required to choose. So we just go on ahead to click save, and then what's next? Okay, so it says age and grade. So our book is not for children, so we'll just go on ahead to click on save and continue. So click on save and continue. All right, so it's saving now, and then it's going to be taking us to the next phase where we would need to um, upload our manuscript. All right. Digital rights management, enable DRM on this Kindle ebook. Oh, blah blah blah. What's this about? Let's just leave that at no. Then where it says upload ebook is where I'm actually concerned about. Now, when you click on upload ebook manuscript, this is what it does. It brings you here. So you click on downloads. All right, and this is where we are now going to be entering the book that we have written, saved, and downloaded. All right. do not forget to go back and check out that video where I actually showed you how to create and format your book for Amazon KDP. So you want to ensure that you watch that video because it's going to be very, very helpful for you. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So now I saved the book in this format. All right, I saved it as rich text format, that is RTF, and that is why you could actually see the book reflecting here. So it's the complete guide to start a freelance business in Nigeria, something of the sort. So I'll just click on it, and then the book is going to be uploading now. All right, so in the process of uploading, it's going to be telling you if the book actually has some errors on it. If it doesn't have a table of contents, it's going to be telling you to go back and add table of contents, because that's one of the most important things. All right, so if your book does not have table of contents, you want to ensure that you actually put a table of contents when you're actually creating it on Google Docs, which I also showed how to actually do in the previous video I created. All right, so without table of contents, it's not as though you're not going to be able to upload your book eventually. You're going to be able to, but then Amazon is going to be telling you that it may not exactly do well, because people would love to, get a guide, on how to navigate their way around your book. All right, so they would advise that you get a table of content for your book. All right, so after your manuscript has been uploaded successfully, it's going to be running some checks to bring you information on whether your book still needs further editing or not. But then you in the absence of that, you can just go on ahead to upload your book cover. All right, so your book cover, you can create your book cover using what is it called, you can create your book cover using Canva. All right, so it's actually very easy to do. So these days I do a lot on my mobile phone, because initially I was not really accustomed to using Canva on my mobile phone, but then these days I just know that I need to get accustomed to using Canva on my mobile phone, more because of my audience who are especially mobile phone users. I want to be able to master this so that I'll be able to bring them the best. All right, so the only error it found here were 3 spelling errors, okay, which is actually because I did not exactly give attention to editing this book. So it's um truthfully would find errors in grammatical errors and all right, so that's the only error, but it doesn't really matter. I'll just go on ahead to upload my book cover. Right now I don't have a book cover, because the one I actually created earlier, it was telling me that the dimension was wrong and all, and I know that I needed to give more attention to creating that book cover. All right, but since my focus is actually on uploading your manuscript, all right, so the most important thing you have to ensure to do is to save your manuscript in such a way that you can locate it, because that is one of the issues I also found out with myself when I was trying to create this video. I discovered that I had not saved it in the right format, which is now there are different formats you can actually save your book on. You can save it, you can upload your book to Amazon KDP as in document format. You can upload it as EPUB. You can upload it as but PDF won't be very good. All right, if you attempt to upload it as PDF, it's going to be telling you that it won't exactly work well with Kindle devices. All right, so it's going to be advising you to use either EPUB, either documents and all right, but we do advise that you use the RCF, that is the rich text format, that you save your book in rich text format and upload it to your phone, download it to your phone, after which you can now upload it just the same way I've shown you. So it's actually very basically simple. So I'm going to be launching the previewer to show you how the book is going to be looking like when eventually it gets uploaded to Amazon and then somebody buys the book. So this is how it's going to be looking like. All right, so you can see the complete guide to start a freelance business in Nigeria. So this is like a preview of what the book is going to be looking like. So you can see my copyright page, you can see my table of contents. All right, so anybody who tells you that you can't create a table of contents on your mobile phone is actually lying to you. You should actually go back and check up that my video and actually see how I was able to do this. All right, you can see my introduction, see how neat it is looking. All right, so remember that you want to ensure that people who are going to be reading your book can actually come back to buy more books from you. So you want to ensure that your book is looking very neat and all right, so there are some formats you get to upload in that would make your book look very scattered and unreadable and all right, so you don't want to create such books. So you should also consider joining my mentorship program so that you can understand more, because it is not all about writing, it's all about making the money, so you can understand more how to write books in such a way that would make you the dollars. All right, because that is what we're after, right? All right, so that is how the book looks like, and I'm sure that you you actually agree with me that this book is actually looking very neat and professional. All right, so guys, that is basically how to create a book. That is how to upload your book to Amazon KDP using your mobile phone. It is really really very very easy. All right, so if you don't understand the video, if you don't understand all I've talked about so far, do not hesitate to, come through to my WhatsApp and ask me all the questions you want to ask, or anything at all that you'd like for me to, talk about. All right, so I'm going to be leaving the link as well to my WhatsApp chat, so that you can also chat me up on WhatsApp, and then we get to discuss more on how to build a successful Amazon KDP business. All right, so if you are a Nigerian, I want to believe that you know the importance of earning in dollars. Our um our the, the the naira against the dollar rate, is 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 nothing to actually write home about. As at the time of recording this video, the naira to dollar rate is almost over 700 naira. So this is actually the best time to earn in dollars. This is the best time to start, you know um creating income streams that are geared towards earning you a dollar income. All right, so guys, if you have enjoyed this video, um if you have gained value from this video, I want you to go on ahead and click on the subscribe button, and also do me a favor by liking this video, so that YouTube can show it to more people who would be interested in learning about everything that we've talked about so far. All right, so this video so far has been about how to upload your books to Amazon KDP using your mobile phone. All right, using your mobile phone, and I believe that you've gotten value from this video. Please do not forget to click on the like button and like this video, and also drop a comment, so that the YouTube algorithm can show this video to more people who are interested in, you know in watching this video. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in subsequent videos, because I do believe that you're going to become a member of my community. All right, so yeah, so this brings us to the end of this tutorial. All right, so see you in subsequent videos. Bye.